In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the paper jam in Canon Pixma TS3720 printer. Right now we can see in this printer, right now on the screen we can see there is a orange light that is constantly on. On the main screen we can see it displays error E03. To fix the paper jam, first we have to remove the paper that is stuck inside the printer. Remove all the paper from paper tray and have a look inside, and we can see there is a paper stuck here, but we cannot reach it properly. That means we cannot take it out from here. If it's already here, you can just pull it out. In the next step, just go to the front of the printer and you can simply pull it out. Go to the printer display panel, press OK button. So this should remove the paper jam. Load new paper. Confirm you have loaded the paper. Once you see the 0 and the light is gone, that means we have successfully fixed the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.